Hello everybody! Wow. Ugh. Ugh, I can't believe I'm doing this. It's been a whole year since I did my DIY Wonder Woman costume, and I figured that my first Halloween video will be just recreating my Halloween costume from last year. So let's get started. Okay, so just to catch you guys up on what I previously did, I already put on my foundation and concealer, and I'm currently putting on my Laura Mercier setting powder. So after the setting powder, I'm going in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate and contouring my nose and the rest of my face. Now I'm going in with a Becca highlight in the color Moonstone. And I just love making silly faces in the mirror, if you can't tell already. So now I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and we're going to be taking the color Bellini and putting that on our eyelids. Wrong way, Elizabeth. There you go. Using the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, we're going in to the blue Sapphire shade. And we're going to be putting it on our brow bone and inner corner. I'm just going to go in and apply some eyeliner really quick. The eyeliner that I'm using is the Jordana Cat Eyeliner. And of course you gotta look in the mirror and make sure that they're even. It's not even. And in case if you were curious, I'm listening to the Shane Dawson Mind of Jake Paul series in the background. No. And now I'm going to be using the Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Lolita. I'm at the very end of the tube, so I'm literally taking a little lipstick applicator from Sephora and dipping into the bottom. Now, something that I've gotten into recently is magnetic lashes. These ones are from Ardell. Where did it go? I'm sad. I can't find my eyelash.
One eternity later.
Good news, I eventually found it. So I actually managed to get this one on. And I found it, which is a miracle. Ow. That hurts. Ow. In case you were wondering where I got the Wonder Woman tiara, I actually made it out of crafting foam and elastic. So that is it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!